of the day. But let's get in Kunal. Kunal, I was looking at the Nifty. It's still protecting that 8,000 level, but Mahindra and Mahindra, if I pull up that stock, it's moving to the day's low. Fundamentally, Sonia would help us out in terms of what's good and bad about the counter, but could you tell us how's it looking on the charts?
Well, I think it looks okay, because I think if you try and compare it with any of the other big wigs, I think like and the way the charts are positioned, I think Mahindra and Mahindra is still in an isolated zone. It's still consolidating, so I think if probably the time frame is almost 3 to 4 months, I think the range for Mahindra and Mahindra could be around 1130, 1145 on the downside, and probably 1275, which is the 200-day moving average. But Nigel, just coming to the point on Nifty, I think what we've seen over the last 1 week, I think end of May expiry and so far till yesterday at least, the options data as well as the open interest data for futures. If you look at the futures, there has been 500 crore shares which have been built up in the OI, and Nifty was down almost 3.3% till yesterday. You look at the options data, the range for Nifty is almost 8,000 on the put, and 8,300 is where the maximum OI is concentrated, more or less. So the markets are telling you that probably 8,000 is a very critical aspect, and generally when you come very closer to a very make or break or a very critical level, the markets have to break that level with a gap down opening. Only then you see a spiraling effect and probably a continuation of the trend. So I think tomorrow's day could be a very crucial day, because if we manage to break 8,000 and open below that, I think that could probably spell some more worry in the short term.